You gonna open it or just throw it? Throw it.
You can't throw it. You can't open it.
Here, buddy, look. Reese. Look. What's in there? What's in there?
A new car.
You get your new truck?
Aiden, what is it?
Sales truck.
More trucks! We love trucks!
Where does that?
Do the wheels turn?
I don't know. Oh, they spin on their own, but
That's what I mean. Do they spin like his other truck does?
no, they don't. That's pretty cool, buddy.
This one's
Yay!
Here, do this one.
Because you started. Let him do it. Let
Here, buddy.
let him do
He's
it.
interested in the trucks now. Look. Look here. Get the paper.
He's like,
Dad,
but
that's
there's
not-
this truck, Dad.
They're not.
Look
Yep.
at that.
All boy, huh?
Yep.
Let's see.
Ooh, new shirts and jeans.
Oh, okay. Open up the shirt, Jared. Read what it's. Not that one. The other one.
This one says play ball, all-star baseball. Baseball, go Rebels.
That's cute.
Let's do this one now.
Look how cute. Daddy's little baseball man.
Yep.
Okay, Aiden, look. Look.
Can we
Here,
help?
Mommy's going to take these for a minute.
Yeah.
Mommy, I want
Let's
to
go.
help with my friend.
Aiden,
Look, Abe. Look, buddy.
want to open now?
Here.
It's like, where's my
truck?
truck? Where's your truck? What's that?
What's that?
Treasure bears. Is it a book?
Look, buddy, look.
A treasure hunt off we go. Oh.
Sweetheart, you're putting your head right in the view of the camera. Okay, where's my truck? There they are! Yeah!
Hold on, big man. One more. Hey, buddy, come here. Look, one more. What is it?
Yo ho ho, which way?
Is it a froggy?
It's a
It's a new froggy!
Aiden, look at that! Oh, yeah,
yeah.
you love coffee, huh?
It's a new froggy. That's frog.
Okay, truck. You got your truck. Here you go. There's your truck. Here, should we open them up?
Yeah. Let's release the trucks.
You want to go get the scissors? We share our goal
Eden,
with
Daddy's opening the other one. Can you get that one? Okay, can you move, please? So I can see? Thank you.
Want to go get the scissors?
Eden, here. Here.
Thank you.
Here. Look, Daddy's doing it, Bubba.
Treasure bear. Treasure hunt off we go. Oh.
Hey, buddy, look. No, these are just push on your own.
Yeah, and we wonder where Aiden gets the fascination.
What?
Your son. Did I say that? Your son?
What?
Your son. Your son.
Whatever you mean.
Yeah, he can do that face too. Like everyone's got my truck. Except for me. Come on, walk over. Oh, you little turd bucket. We're going to make you walk.
Aiden. Come
Is that your phone?
Yeah. Stand up. Come here, chicken.
Go get Daddy's phone. Don't answer it. Just bring it.
Come here.
Oops.
Stand up. Come here. Come get it. You want it. Come get it. Come here. You want it? Come get him. Come here.
Come on, Eden, walk. There you go.
Come here. Come here. Over here. You know you want your truck. Come here. Reach.
Get back a little bit for him. Go get him, Eden.
Come here, buddy.
Go get him.
Come here. Yeah. Oh.
Yay! Happy birthday, Aiden.
Happy birthday.
Say happy birthday, Reese.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy first birthday. We love you, baby.